Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the AboveTEK Business Kiosk Aluminum Tablet iPad Stand, a versatile and sturdy solution for all your tablet and phone display needs. This stand is designed to accommodate any device from 4 to 15.6 inches, making it perfect for iPads, iPhones, and portable monitors, whether you're using it at a restaurant, shop point of sale, or your home office. With its 360-degree swivel and 220-degree folding range, you can easily adjust the viewing angle for typing or showcasing, seamlessly switching between landscape and portrait modes. The heavy base ensures stability, while the rubber padding provides strong protection for your devices, making it ideal for busy environments like retail, hospitality, and education. Plus, the ergonomic design includes user-friendly wire holes for easy charging access, ensuring your gadgets stay powered up while in use. The included Allen key allows you to customize the holder's rotation and folding to suit different tablet weights, offering unparalleled flexibility. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style with the AboveTEK iPad stand, designed to enhance your professional presentations and interactions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.